I dey beef you.
Doctor of music.
I dey beef you.
Why you dey beef am?
Now you go make that girl high to easy beat.
No, a big high.
A big high.
A big high to easy beat. Ayer Maroke Keredi, what's her name again?
Yeah, man, what's be that girl name? Hafisat Abina. Hafsat Said.
A big high. He go talk say, they do cut him. Then he go say a big high to.
High to easy beat.
Like
why
they use me and you to cover.
I mean, now we do to cover. Nonsense.
Now God catch you.
Lord, let me swear for you now.
Now easy beat Jericho is.
I beg man, Nicola, you welcome to the show, Joe. In case you just join us for the show, the matter what they discuss this night, now the matter when they say concern one guy, when they say he don't shift in marriage, go next 2 weeks. We're not supposed to discuss this matter. We're supposed to leave him till Friday, but the guy say he want hear what people go talk, whether he go know what he go fit do or make him come out or make him continue. The matter be say he be not get work for long. Okay, from Benin. Okay, this person know the topic already. From Benin, good evening. Amaka.
Hello.
Amaka, good evening. Okay, from Benin. I beg reduce the volume of your TV because nigga wanna. Oh? Reduce the volume of your TV, nigga wanna. Because
If not me, I go marry the girl.
you go marry him if not you. You see, the TV too loud. You know they hear me well. Amaka, bye bye. Your TV too loud. I love you, but bye bye. Bye bye. Good night. Your TV is too loud.
But we know that they call yours.
I beg, reduce your TV. You don't need to
the same thing when they talk for inside radio. Reduce or just
Biko,
bring down the volume small.
reduce your TV volume. Now, what will they talk now? Be say the guy now come find out say the work when don't come get finally after years of searching for work. Now in girlfriend when in one marry, now in they wipe the organ of the office we give them the work. Now the salary where did they increase? Good house where you and the guy they live, the guy no so now the guy they wipe the organ. Where they even pay him better money. Now the guy don't come kneel down beg the guy say will you marry me?
So the girl is I don't wipe piece.
It's a white piece.
It's a white piece.
Now the question now say he don't find out now. The guy he don't contact the guy say agree true. In the wipe the guy. Now the guy they ask make him continue with the marriage or not.
Or make him come out and say
Now Nicola, what do you think? Our phone number there on top of your TV, and then you go follow us for Twitter also at W9 Show. Make we know somebody. Chadi, Chadi say,
hey, Oluwa Shadi.
Chadi say if she don't do am with my oga, she go do am with anyone. Thank you, Chadi. God go bless you. If she don't do am with my oga, she go do am with anyone
do not be
else.
like that.
No, I know what they talk.
Chadi say
My dignity on top anything. Forget marriage, forget her, and the job. Start afresh. See, I'm not gonna give you.
Oluwa Shadi don't vex so.
And then Abdul Wise talk say, I swear, easy beats they lie. Now the boss go determine whether the marriage go hold. If the boss not agree leave the girl, uncle.
Maybe your car could be chairman of the wedding.
I'm only from Alagbado.
Hello.
I only good evening.
Because no, just reduce the volume of your TV set.
Hello, this is Olamiam.
I'm only if now you what you go do?
My dear, I no fit marry am.
Okay, why you not go fit marry am? Give me a reason.
Why I go marry am? First way be say he dey friend my oga. I know the likeness and the love itself will don't die. Pata.
I wanna pay.
What I will.
Thank you very much. Good night. Jane Owele, Wazobia TV, and much love to Nikki Lauye. She too fine. We know. We know.
I never see one where they work hard. And everywhere they go, they carry your car. They follow body.
For your mind now, you arrange your hair.
Left, right.
Okay, Nikki Lauye, we don't come back to you. First of all, before we go to your music matter, if now you talk true, waiting you go do.
If na me, first of all, understand, say, I go understand, say, the girl do am for me. If na me be the guy, one. Because, you know, it's that kind of way she do. Now, because she won't make her day happy. Okay. And she won't make we build our own home. Although it not be the right way, but for that kind of thing, I go forgive am. But it must end there. No problem. I go forget the job. Move on. But the truth be said, person if you do that kind of thing for if you kill herself for you now, it just means
you know that.
Yes, confirm.
Yes, now you see,
Confirm.
That's it now. And they do make we talk true as this thing be. Now because say the girl don't use her mouth talk say she do am. The ones where they do am every day.
We
no,
don't
Wait.
When no they talk.
Now
They do no.
She feel they do and make she not even talk am at all.
He get people wey go do.
Okay,
Not
see,
even know.
okay, thank you. She feel it that make she not talk am. She not talk am.
But she agree when the husband ask her.
He know
That kind thing no easy to talk now.
Okay, they do. Make her ask you one question. According to wetin Abdullah talk now for Twitter. What about those girls where they go abroad? They go do prostitution.
Okay.
Their husband to be the house. And at the end of the day, they don't make small money. They don't build house. They do come carry the husband. Come go drain it for that side. Then they start family. What do you want to talk about that one?
See, make her tell you true. I don't know how I take the thing. Alex come talking on. People talking. Nikki lie. You see, make her tell you. I'm not supposed to talk my mind for this thing now. Now later I'm supposed to talk my mind, but I go talk am now. Now. If na me, I not go marry am.
But Neruna, you be that now.
Ola from Ibadan. Ola Oye from Ibadan. Kúrò lẹ́jọ́. Ola Oye Akinyo.
Hello.
Akinyo ẹ káre o. Ẹ káàbọ̀ sórí ètò yìí o.
Happy birthday to you.
Tó bá pẹ́ yìí ni kí lẹ máa ṣe.
If it is me,
We dey hear you.
it's me.
I'm going to reduce the volume of your TV now.
This is what I will do. I believe so much if there's love.
Okay.
Love covers multitude of sin.
Okay.
You must learn to forgive this young lady.
Okay.
The first thing you do yourself is to resign.
Resign from the work. Okay.
And then you start life afresh.
Allow
When
you.
you go there, go and marry this woman and forget about everything. And then if anything happens in future, you overlook a lot of things. And you don't continue to refer to what has happened in the past.
Allow
That's the
you.
only way you can handle it.
Okay, Olayo, that's the only way you can handle it. Olayo, make I ask you.
Yeah.
What if I should not come resign now? You not can't get work.
Yeah,
You can't get another work again.
yeah.
Now, waiting be the assurance say this girl not see the wife make you get work again. If she no.
She dey follow.
do it
She dey follow you get work every time.
Listen, this lady sacrificed herself because
On the lamb, as a lamb of slaughter.
sacrificed herself.
Okay, Olayo, thank you very much. We don't hear you. Thank you very
He
much.
laid down her life like a lamb to the slaughter. Neru, think this thing now. Why your heart is strong like this?
You not be saying my heart is strong.
You are a very
See,
wicked man, Neru.
Not be saying I dey very wicked.
That.
See, me.
Make sure know that you are very wicked.
No.
Neru, you are wicked.
Mbara.
Rabba say you are wicked. Amudo coffee and bomb. Today you are very wicked. Yeah.
Not be about being wicked.
I do about
See,
what?
Me, I go talk everything I be. Now make I ask you a question. All of you now. You can't finally marry this girl, Nikki. You marry the girl now. Una begin live. Now, because if not me, if I go marry the girl, I go resign from the work.
Allah, you don't talk.
I go resign from the work normally, and then she go promise me. Say she not go sleep with the man again. Wait, I never finish now. I never finish. Now wait. Then if I go marry him, but going by say I no go marry him. See, this guy don't they wipe this guy for 3 years.
So then come themselves.
Moses from Abuja. Before I
No
continue,
forget
good
that.
evening, Moses.
No forget that.
Moses.
Hello, good evening.
I beg Moses, no vex. If now you waiting, you go do.
In as much as it's your wife today, and you have not gotten married to her yet, the
Yes.
best thing is for you to walk away.
Yes. I mean, you when you waka,
Hello?
so you not go marry him.
In as much as she's your wife today, and you have not yet gotten married to her,
Yes.
and you've come to discover such a thing that she's doing, the best thing is for you to walk away.
That's why women they like if people like you. You know, know. You walk away to enter another relationship with another woman. When go half the town and half una friend, he go just they enter and they.
Moses, thank you, Josh.
No.
See, I dey talk my own. You can't finally say okay. But my stand say I no go marry the girl. Now, I no go marry the girl. Why? Because she don't dey wipe this guy for 3 years. She not tell me.
Why you dey?
Wait. She not tell me for 3 years. Sometimes I know where you dey. I'm in a meeting. Where you dey? I traveled. You carry the guy. They walk up and down. You una dey wipe. Now, Mark, hold on. Una dey wipe. That girl is wicked. Oh, what a wicked. Now, you come marry the girl. You resign from the work. My brother, tell me true. Women, they like to get their own money. Who is to say that man no go see they disturb that woman?
See.
Who is to say that man?
Nedu.
Wait, Bonle,
you
Bile.
need to rise above
He said,
all those things.
W9 show, I not fit marry that kind girl. Oh. She not dey try. For 3 years, she didn't lie to me. God forbid. Make Nikki perform, oh, she go perform. Now, wow.
Not like that.
Timi Akerele talk say,
I not leave Nikki today. You just they consider me with yeast now.
Nikki just come today.
Now because they say this microphone, easy be come out this microphone. Now this mic they do them.
Timi Akerele talk say, I not go fit marry. I not go fit marry her, Sha, but I go forgive her though because I loved her in the past. Past days, past
Why people they be like this? If na man, una go expect say the woman need to forgive her.
The trust is key. Thank you. My major point for this is not trust.
Okay, Nedu.
My major point. Make I talk one true story wey happen to me.
Okay.
I go talk am. I know they lie.
Okay.
When I dey Madonna University.
Now there you go.
Now there na Madonna University.
Let it pray.
He get one girl where I been dey follow do boyfriend and girlfriend. Her name na MM. Now MM fit dey watch am. Hey, you will know. I know your story. I'm going to talk it.
Yeah.
Now, when we dey for school, we say her parents dey Abuja, me my parents dey Kaduna. I come say okay, make I travel. We don't agree. Say we go travel. We don't travel. We can't agree. Say okay, we go come back school on Friday. We go come back school on Friday. She comes okay, no problem. We'll come back school on Friday. Me now, as the trusting boyfriend, I can't go school on Thursday. Make her go arrange my house for off campus. So that when she come, everywhere go clean.
So we not go do it.
We go not to do anything.
Now just stay. They read
We
Bible.
dey share tract to ourselves. We share tract. We do fellowship. So Thursday I reach school. Friday I wait for MM. I not see MM. Saturday I wait for MM. I not see MM.
You no
I
telephone
wait. I can't say make I go call their house. I know na Saturday morning around 8 I go call their house. I call her phone. He ring. She not pick. I can't call her house. She get 2 younger brothers, Eddie Dong and Enete. As I come, wait. If una know them, some of una go no people they talk. If you there Abuja, you go no people they talk. So not be I can't call Enete. Nine be the guy. Enete nine be the guy where they talk through. Eddie Dong they work with her. Na her partnership. As I can't call their landline, Enete come pick call. Say Ima how now? I say I dey fine. What's up? You don't see her, ma'am? I say never see. I say she don't leave house since yesterday. Victor from Calabar, good evening.
Say, Nedu.
Victor, good evening.
Good evening, no.
My brother, how now?
Fine, no.
I bet talk through. What thing you go do if now you be this guy?
You not me, huh?
He laugh.
Not continue the relationship because the marriage will not hold.
Okay. You not go continue the relationship because the marriage not go hold, Abi?
Yes, because because you still continue the relationship with the boss. Even the divorce, they transfer him to another place.
No problem. Okay, Victor, thank you very much. See, okay, make I continue my gist. For the gist now, I can't call.
She said she don't come out house.
They go say, he don't come out house since yesterday. Then her other brother where they did young, where they be her partner, she can't call her immediately. This guy don't find out. She can't call me. No, she sent me text. That because network, that time we see they hang phone. They look for network. She can't send me text. Say she don't leave house. So, but now her friend, where they're supposed to come together, the papa never give the girl money. She just did it. On Sunday, finally, now she can't come. As we did, she calls me, she go bath. Welcome, she buy one fast food, their food for me. I spread leg like virus. Chop the food. Not be in, she can't go bath. I can't say make I go.
You say, wait. Why you
I can't see her purse. As I see her purse, hotel receipt.
You say, who send you to see her purse?
Man, I don't go like give you. Hotel receipt 9 days there. And since that day, before she even come back from bathroom, I don't tell myself, say, I go continue with this thing, but I don't go trust them because I did 300 level. I said I'll continue. Okay, Johnson from Festa, Delta, good evening. Okay, Johnson, sorry, call back. I said I go continue because I go just continue. Me and her go just do boyfriend and girlfriend but I don't go trust her until me and pass her because I did 300 level.
Why you know ask at that time?
Because that trust don't die. Now trust at the talk. Because I don't go like if you something go happen, they go call one day for that house. The man go say, you that used to sleep with your guy, where did you go?
Nedu, your own situation they different.
Yes.
Nah. This one the girl do am for you.
Down.
She do am for you. This one she not do am
This
for
one
you.
she don't do
herself.
she don't do hotel for you. I mean, at the fast food where she go by, now you make her go the hotel.
Okay, the question when I want to ask you is, okay, now imagine say this thing don't be like this. You can't tell the girl say you not go marry her.
Okay.
Knowing the fact that she put her body on the line to make you happy. Now you can't tell her say you not go marry her, and she can't go think go swallow pills, kill herself, and you can't tell her how you go feel.
Swallow pills.
How you go feel?
When they wipe your guy, you don't think of me. Oh, they do their house.
She dey take up when she dey do the wiping.
They do never wipe. Oh, in their house. Oh, how go do? Hey, from Kaduna. Good evening, Joe.
Nedu, calm yourself down.
Good evening, my dear. How you doing?
Fine, no.
I beg, Aisha.
Won't drink easy,
That Allah, that and never. In kind of mezaki. What you go do?
Wallahi, I'll marry him.
You go marry him.
I'll marry her.
So, which reason? What thing go make you marry him? If you give me any reason.
Now, because the girl, she don't sacrifice her life for me now. If she do it for love, so I go marry her.
Okay, thank you.
For love,
Aisha,
yeah.
thank you very much. Akwan love. Thank you very much. Now, Nikki Lauye, wait, before I come to you,
You sure say this thing don't happen? No, Nedu, no be you this thing happen to. This is a story. Because the way you dey carry am very passionate.
Kelechi will say it will be very painful experience. Trust is shattered. I'm not going to marry him, shall go forgive her though. Okay, this one. And then, hey, okay, this one, Team Nikki Lauye. Hafsat.
He don't come again.
He don't come again.
A big height to easy bit.
Is that my big height to easy bit? Nonsense. Nedumi are not go fit because the trust no go there forever again because the man feel they disturb her even after marriage. My big height to nonsense.
Easy bit.
Are you call him now? Who go call him?
Abeg, Nikki, may we talk this the ministry and the
The whole
hospital.
ministry, I beg. Una fit see the colors. The matter, una know the matter. For those of una we don't know, you find out say you want married. The girl where you want married, the work where you get, she dey sleep with her your. Okay, we'll talk to Easy and
Nedu, calm down.
Okay, no, nothing happen. Before we talk to Nikolai, make we watch her video.
Abasi.
So that when we come back, we'll continue with Nikolai.
Easy bit,
And then you feel.
Die! Come in, keep quiet. Keep quiet.
I will bite you now. Make we watch Nikolai
Now
video.
go
they
bring
come
water
back.
for Nedu, may you drink. See, no.
I'm not going to marry him. Me. Ta, bafo. Ta, get out there. He plays small music before we watch Nikolai video because I'm not.
So.
Les bouts, la crème, la sugar. Alright.
The devil is a liar. Nikki Lauye.
Sweet video.
Sweet video, no audio.
The devil is a liar.
Singer, make I give you soprano.
Oh.
Give stand up. Oh yeah, singer.
The devil is a liar.
The devil is a liar. Then sing your own.
I don't fit.
Then Nikki Lauye, how music work?
Man, that video, you know bad.
That video. Now just yesterday I released a
Just
Now the one where
yesterday.
your mama they dance inside.
Yes, my mama do shocking like this.
Your mama do shocking.
Mama do shocking.
Oh,
Mommy yo.
See am? You see am now?
Now myself and my brother do the song together. My
Okay,
brother
X-Blaze. Okay, X-Blaze.
Now you produce them. Now you even write the song.
Yeah.
The two of
This,
us come together. Just
Family something. Then your husband come the production
Yeah,
something.
anyway, mama,
You also not dance.
in dance. Now you two do your own shocking song.
I know family business.
Family business.
Nikki Lauye and Oturu and Son.
Because I know the question I want to even ask you because we're not even to get time.
My own be say how
Somebody they call us. Kenneth from Lagos. Biko, good evening.
Hello, Ken. Good evening.
Good evening, Kenneth.
Kenneth.
Yeah, Kenneth.
Hello,
Good
dear.
evening.
Kenneth, Biko, if not you, what do you go do?
I go through what you question. I'm alone.
You not go marry.
I'm not going to marry.
Suppose you go church, the pastor tell you, say, God, say, may you marry him.
Yes. See the service.
No, the read France.
The organs see the service, the engine, Abi. You get points, sir. Kenneth, thank you very much.
See the service.
The engine.
So what can I go marry her for? My wife will go work. Then I go day house. Hungry go catch me. I bring home.
Okay. Kenneth, thank you. Before we go for break, Kelechi, you would say, even as a lady, I can't imagine myself doing that. When
and
in
all
bed,
of them go sit down, they read Francine Rivers' book. The lady with the scarlet thread. All. If they can't tell you, say, Pastor, you can't hear the voice of the Lord from heaven. He say, may you marry that girl, say that girl be your wife. Waiting you could do. Yeah, we don't say this half of the town.
Kelechi, you would say, I can't imagine myself doing that when in bed. When in bed, I could imagine two of them, they do. Oh. Make we pass more chicken break.
If a woman
now, come back.
Una go say the woman make she supposed bear am. Say na so man's be outside. If na the man they do pium make it they do. Make
not be flavor now. Now flavor we know say they do that thing.
They do waka pium.